Imura served as a member of the Thousand Sons Legion during the Great Crusade and Horus Heresy. A veteran of his legion who still harbored anger in his heart for the burning of Prospero. For 10 millennia, this fell warlock harried the Imperium, seeking vengeance for the destruction of his homeworld. Banished into the tides of the warp by Marneus Calgar during the 41st millennium, with the dawn of the era Indomitus, Imura escaped from his 2 centuries of torment by the hands of the Changer of Ways. His name etched upon a ritual site hastily erected upon the crash site of Archmagos Nozick Beta 12 during the war to reclaim the Residia system. Henceforth, the squad of Ultramarines Lieutenant Demetrian Titus would pursue the trail of the exalted sorcerer. Pulling the strings of events to come, as Titus sought to locate the power source taken from the world of Graia, the Ultramarines redeployed to the world of Avarax, seeking to rescue Archmagos Nozick's successor, Tech Priest Marius Luz. Possessing the Astropath Neoma, following her distress signal sent to hail Chapter Master Marneus Calgar as the forces of Chaos invaded Avarax, Titus and his kinsmen faced the heretic in battle, unknowingly playing into Imura's hands. Pursuing Luz to the world of Demirion, wherein a Blackstone relay complex of the Necrons was fueled by the Aurora device, Imura struck down the delusional tech priest, using the power of the Aurora device to open a warp portal upon the planet's surface. Marneus Calgar, joining his Ultramarines to stem the tide of chaos, the culmination of Imura's plot to entrap his nemesis, was complete. Luring the Lord Defender of Greater Ultramar into his immaterial domains, Titus, Gadriel and Chiron charging into the collapsing portal to aid their chapter master. Within the fiefdom of the sorcerer, the Ultramarines thwarted Imura's ritual to achieve divine knowledge from his harnessing of the device. Disintegrated by the inversion of the Aurora's power by Titus's hands, his efforts to humble the Ultramarines came to naught, as the soul of this embittered son of Magnus was torn asunder.